You didn't build the reputation of your project management training by following a template. You know that genuine capability develops through application, when people wrestle with realistic trade-offs, navigate messy stakeholder dynamics, and adapt theory to actual organisational constraints. Your programs create those lightbulb moments where methodology finally clicks. Despite all of this, it's challenging for learners to maintain momentum once a program concludes and they go back to work. The post-course high fades, day-to-day tasks take priority again, and the implementation of new knowledge and skills learnt during your course goes into the one day when I've got time void. This creates a tricky dynamic. Your business is judged on long-term project performance, but your influence struggles to make it out of the classroom. Meanwhile, there's another problem. While you're busy building capability for your clients, your own business growth is stalled. Between selling programs and client communications, managing certification paperwork, and coordinating live sessions, you're spending more time on administration than on developing and delivering your brilliant programs and materials. This can lead to missed opportunities with new and bigger customers, as the manual and disjointed operations of running your training business create a bottleneck to growth. Competing for big contracts can be especially difficult, even if your training delivers great results. This is because corporate buyers are looking for additional value, like platforms with progress dashboards and automated competency tracking to show ROI in real time. Without modern infrastructure to support your programs and operations, you might find yourself losing out to competitors more often. Guroo Academy changes this equation. Our all-in-one training platform gives your proven methodology the operational backbone it needs to create and show sustained impact while eliminating administrative overheads. Academy isn't about replacing what you do, it's about removing friction so you can scale your impact. Let's look at how Academy can streamline your operations. Before training begins, your program participants complete a diagnostic that identifies their starting point and current organisational processes. They receive tailored pre-work based on their gaps. During your course, Academy supports you in managing schedules, distributing resources, tracking attendance, and managing certification requirements. This means you can stay focused on facilitation and customer relationships, not spreadsheets and tracking. Post-workshop, participants take application projects on real initiatives. You can set up their managers as coaches to support and contextualise to their own workplace as they practice their skills. Academy maintains momentum through automated follow-up sequences. Learners can take ownership of their journey and access additional resources. Organisational sponsors have visibility into learner progress and can correlate training with actual business outcomes. All of this also means that learning makes it from the classroom into the workplace, from ongoing check-ins and knowledge refreshers to close integration with the learner's role, manager, and organisation. Academy is built to enable work-integrated learning that makes a lasting impact. Guroo Academy was built for trainers who know that competency develops through expert facilitation and real-world application. We give you the infrastructure to scale your operations without sacrificing the hands-on quality that defines your work. Visit guru.academy to see how project management training providers are scaling impact while reducing operational burden.